Close your eyes and imagine diving deep beneath the waves. Colorful coral reefs, shimmering fish, sunken treasures, and maybe even a mermaid or two. This August, I invite you to join me for #AquaAdventureAugust 2025, a coloring challenge where we explore all things water related, from serene lakes and peaceful rivers to the mysterious wild wonders of the deep sea. Are you ready to make your coloring pages ripple with color? So, what exactly is Aqua Adventure August 2025? Well, throughout the month of August, we'll focus on coloring pages that feature any kind of water or aquatic theme. It could be a dreamy lake scene, a rushing waterfall, or the magic of coral reefs teeming with life. You can bring to life majestic whales, playful dolphins, curious sea turtles, or elegant jellyfish just drifting through the currents. Maybe you'll even choose to color mysterious shipwreck, a hidden sunken statue, or a chest full of glistening treasures. And of course, magical mermaids are more than welcome. If it's connected to water, it's perfect for this challenge. This challenge is all about celebrating creativity and imagination. Water-themed pages open up so many possibilities for unique color palettes. Think deep indigo blues, turquoise greens, pearly whites, sandy golds, maybe even metallic or shimmer paint to capture that sparkling underwater magic. By coloring along and sharing under the #AquaAdventureAugust 2025, well, you will not only create something beautiful, but also become part of a wonderful community of colorists. Together, we can fill August with inspiring aquatic artwork, a gallery of sea life and adventures and treasures that will leave everyone inspired. So taking part is simple. Just pick any coloring page from your favorite books or PDFs, even postcards, as long as it has an aquatic element. When you finish coloring, post it to Instagram, YouTube, or wherever you share your work, and use the #AquaAdventureAugust 2025. That way we can all find each other's creations, cheer each other on, and build a wave of inspiration together. So let's dive deep into August with a burst of creativity. Whether it's shimmering jellyfish, mysterious shipwrecks, or a playful dolphin, every page tells its own aqua adventure. Share your art under #AquaAdventureAugust 2025, and let's turn this month into a colorful underwater journey together.